Actually, they have placed reliance upon a 2014 order, my lords. So, my lords, as per my knowledge, I thought that I have to challenge that particular order. This was the very reason why I was asking for.
It is
Yes.
circular, my lord,
Now, there
whereby
are the orders of the High Court itself.
yes.
Yes, my
It says
lords.
that you are not entitled to. मेरा order निकाल के दे दी.
My lords, I may be granted time, my lords.
नहीं नहीं नहीं.
My lords, please, my lords, as per my senior instructions, my lords, I have to seek.
Nothing. लिखिएगा. This petition is filed by a sports officer seeking enhancement of age of superannuation in a college, Nehru Smarak Mahavidyalaya, Chakghat, to continue up to the age of 65 years. Full stop. This issue is already considered by the High Court.
My lords, this is not the issue in this
Then
particular.
what is the issue? Chaliye, let us see the petition. What is the issue?
My lords, the issue is that I was entitled to work till the age of 65 years in this particular institution, my lords. But at the time of granting me the retiral dues, they are saying that I am only entitled to get retiral dues up to 62 years of age.
So you,
But I worked in this institution till the age of 65 years.
अच्छा, कोई interim order की light में आपने work किया था क्या?
No,
Is there any interim order from the High Court?
No, my lords. First, my lords may kindly see Annexure P1, my lords.
P1.
Initially, I had filed an writ petition before this honorable court, and on the direction of this honorable court, I worked till the age of 62 years. Subsequently, I was again appointed by this the institution to work as a guest faculty.
तो गेस्ट फैकल्टी तो आपका कॉन्ट्रेक्चुअल अपॉइंटमेंट हो गया ना. देखिएगा petition.
My lords, I may be granted time.
I'll not grant you any time, but the petitioner was appointed as a sports teacher. He worked up to the age of 62 years. Thereafter, he continued as a guest faculty up to the age of 65 years. Now, petitioner's contention is that petitioner is entitled to compute his retiral benefits as he had already put in work up to 65 years of age. And in above terms, a relief is claimed that petitioner, the action of the respondent authorities in not granting the benefit of enhanced age of superannuation of 65 years is bad in law, and further to command the respondents to consider the petitioner to be superannuated on attaining the age of 65 years. Full stop. आप अपना इमेज अच्छा रखिए.
My lords,
ठीक है. इस तरीके से घुमाकर आप कोर्ट की नजर में अपनी इमेज खराब कर लेंगे.
my lords,
ठीक है. देखिएगा. Since petitioner, this court has already taken a call on this matter and has held that librarians and sports officers are entitled only to continue up to the age of 62 years
Yes.
and are not entitled to the age of 65 years, which is meant for teaching staff, comma, in view of the said judgment in dash dash, comma, prayer made by the petitioner is cannot be granted. Petition fails and is dismissed. Ready.
My lords, if I may mention, my lords, there is one more issue that my retiral dues have been calculated at a very reduced rates, my lords. My lords, if my lords,
पढ़िएगा ना प्लीज. 7वां वेतनमान कब से लागू हुआ? 16 से. आप 14 में हो गए 62 साल के. कैसे लागू हो जाएगा? आप कुछ भी मांगेंगे उसको थोड़ा ना दे दिया जाएगा.
my lords.
ठीक है. Petitioner's claim for grant of benefit of 7th pay commission recommendations is also not made out because they came into force with effect from 1/1/2016, whereas petitioner had already attained age of 62 years prior to 1/1/2016. और जजमेंट दे देंगे, ये निकाल के दे देंगे शुक्ला जी आपको. वो निकाल दीजिएगा. चलिए.